This is tutorial number 6, and in this tutorial I'm going to use the AutoConstraint tool. We have made this part in the previous tutorial. To go to the edit sketch again, you can right click on this sketch, as you see here on the part tray, sketch number 1. Right click and sketch 1 object edit, or simply by double click on it. And here we have added some dimension in the previous tutorial, so I'm going to delete all these dimensions and constraint with the relation h, delete, and here you can reach the AutoConstraint tool. You just constraint. Here you can see the AutoConstraint. Let's just the window smaller. You have here the AutoConstraint tool. You choose it and click the part which are going to be constrained, either to click them all or some of them. So now you have automatically added all the constraints and dimensions. Also, one point about AutoConstraint: now you have all the dimensions are defined. You can edit them here as you want. It might be easier than going to the constraint and back and dimensioning the profile. But if you want to add a constraint, to add another dimension, it turns into purple. That means it is not necessary to have this because it is already defined. So now I can exit the sketch and see you in the next tutorial.